Y'all, I ended the video and I completely forgot something that I should have mentioned, okay? So I did add something else. Hi Ussie Gang, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, my name is Ussie Gang and I make videos on natural hair, beauty, and lifestyle. So subscribe to this channel, get with me if that is the sort of thing that you are into, okay? So today's video, I'm hoping is going to be a short one since I just want to give you an update on my edges today. I think my last update on them was maybe 2 months ago. Yeah, 2 months ago. And I know I promised to do an update every month, but you know, life happens. And there was other content that I wanted to create it, so hence the longer wait. But don't worry, because just because I haven't been talking about them doesn't mean that I haven't been making these babies grow, okay? So this is what my edges are looking like today. This is my right side, okay? And then over here is my left. I'll give you another view of the right because I don't know how close I have to be to the camera for you to get a clear view. But yes, here's my right. Here is my left. Okay. And then of course, the middle. That's my middle. And I'm probably gonna try and insert a comparison pic from the previous videos, but yes, this is the state of my edges today. Yeah, so they've come a ways, and my goal in these past 2 months was to, of course, grow the hairs that I have, make them longer, but also my other goal was to fill in the empty spaces in my edges, you know, grow hair back where there wasn't before. You can say I've made some progress, but let me go ahead and show you what I've been using in the past 2 months and how. In the morning, I've been using my castor oil. I actually use this both morning and night, but I am more religious with it at night. So in the night, let me show you what I use. At night, I put my leave-in on my edges. Then I would cover and seal it up with castor oil mixed with drops of lavender oil and peppermint oil. And in the morning, like I said, I only sometimes use the castor oil in the morning. I would use water instead of leave-in in the morning, and then cover the wet edges with the castor oil, but it's not like I do it every morning. Now, the specific castor oil I do use is this Rooted Treasure version. This, for anyone who doesn't know, is like pure Jamaican black castor oil. This is not your beauty supply store castor oil. And though I notice a difference between the two, okay? So let me just say that the beauty supply store castor oil is very watered down. There is a difference that I noticed between this and your Jamaican lime, your tropic oil, your sunny oil. There's a difference, but the difference isn't really so much in the growth that I've been receiving. The difference is more in just the softness and how it makes my hair feel, not so much the growth, okay? Though my hair has been growing, I don't think that I can really attribute that to using castor oils and a bunch of oils on my hair. I think I would more attribute that to genetics, you know, and just keeping my hair moisturized and healthy. Y'all, I ended the video and I completely forgot something that I should have mentioned, okay? So I did add something else. I started taking biotin again, okay? I've been a user of Biotin for years now. Okay, I'm on and off. I haven't taken it in the past 2 years because I was away for Peace Corps and I'm just like, I really didn't need it. But I am a user of Biotin and I have seen differences with Biotin. I've been taking this bottle, which is 5,000 mcg for a little over 2 months now, I would say. But yeah, that's just an addition I've made to my routine. It might have helped contribute to some growth so far. I definitely have always noticed some kind of growth in my hair when I do take a biotin, so it's possible it's been doing something and helping my edges. So as you can see, my edges have been growing in a bit, but to be honest, they're not filling in still the way I want, you know? And they are starting to fill in, like you can see little hairs between the gaps, but it's not enough to keep, you know, you see these spaces, it's not enough to keep these spaces from looking like they're completely empty, if you know what I'm saying. I mean, I have edges that I could lay down now if I really wanted to, even though I really don't. Those of you who know me know. But it's improving. And this side is improving too. It's improving, but I'm not noticing that crazy of a difference in what I thought I would have in, you know, 2 months time. And then again, here's my middle. What I personally think is going on is that I believe that I am just at a stage where I'm not going to be noticing the changes and differences at this time. You know what I'm saying? I think that, you know, there's a certain stage you kind of get to your hair growth where you feel like there's not really a difference that you've seen within the past month, 2 months, 3 months. I think I'm at that stage. You know, your hair grows to a point where you just kind of stop noticing. For example, it's easier to know hair growth when you're bald and it's growing back out than when you have hair as long as I am or longer and it's still growing. You don't really notice it until so long a period has happened that you look back and you're like, wow, you mean I was there so-and-so months ago and now I'm here? Wow, I guess my hair really has been growing. All right. So I think I'm at that period, you know? I don't think I'm gonna really notice much of a difference in my edges right now until, I don't know, a couple more months, and then I start examining. And so I think that's pretty much what is going on, which is also partly why I didn't come out with an update sooner. But of course, if I am wrong and you do notice something, don't be shy and let me know down in the comments below because I would love to see what you see. Having said that, one area that I do notice the most improvement in has definitely been my middle spot right here. Okay, if you look in my past videos, you know, and you will see that this area right here was pretty much like a shiny bald man. Like I was a shiny bald man right here. And it was just, you know, I could conceal it by pushing my hair to the front, but you know, when I put it back, it was a different story. But look at the little tufts of hair. They've really grown in. I'm no longer completely bald here. You know, of course, like I said also in my previous videos, this area and my edges have always been thin, so I don't expect them to be, you know, like thick girl edges, but you know, I still had hair in these places even though they were thin, and the hair is definitely coming back here. Let me just get in closer just so y'all know. Just so y'all know. Look at that. Oh, shoot. Okay. Anyway, I'm messing up my twist out in all kinds of ways for this video. Okay, so these are all of my updates. Like I said, If you notice something, or if you don't notice something, let me know down in the comments below. Tell me what you think and what you see. I would love to know. I would love to see from your point of view, okay? And don't forget to like this video, because I'm trying to, I'm trying to keep up with my updates with you all. This is not just my journey, this is your journey too. When you subscribe, we journey together, okay? And I will see you next time. Bye.